we're here in Bali at our mastermind, and I want to talk a little bit about the power of an invite-only community. So we have a bunch of people here that have joined us to mastermind together, to build awesome things, to build a tribe, and to grow, essentially. And we've been sitting in multiple sessions, we've had adventure, and what keeps coming into my mind is, why is there so much potential? And one of the reasons there's so much potential in this group is because we've selected that group from the applications that came in and made it that specific tribe.
The thing that I like is the way that we started out was very much not let's dive straight into business, but let's explore who you are first, some places that we probably wouldn't have gotten to first. And I'm really surprised that in 2 days you can go so deep with a group.
I feel like I can be fully myself. That created a very powerful connection with others that hopefully will be for life.
So we just showed up here, and Tui, the trainer, she's really strong, and she's guided us through this session of intense CrossFit combined with some movement that really works on your core and works you out all the way. The group loved it. We did some teamwork, and they just really liked it. Got pushed. We really sweated our asses off, and now we're heading to have some really healthy food. It was amazing.
Thankfully, it was a nice coupling of comfort, of a little bit of vulnerability, and just simplifying some of the complexities that I would normally have. So to be out of the element of your daily life, it really helps, and to be with well-mannered, well-tempered, well-educated people just brought it that much further for me. So.
Just the whole thing feels effortless, but you can tell it's very beautifully choreographed. There's a lot of love that went into preparing all of this.
I felt like in this group of people were not just talking, they were really connecting. They were not just looking at you, but they were really seeing you. When you look at the other person in that way, when you're programmed to give something, the relationship is completely different. And when everybody is programmed like that, lots of magical things are happening, because everybody then can really grow in such a ridiculously fast way. And there is nothing more beautiful than to be a witness of that growth for somebody else.
It feels like connecting the dots. It feels like a whole lot of individual pieces that I brought with me, and yeah, different things all kind of coming together and seeing how they're plugging into one another. So that's really cool.
True power is in a group, and we always joke with Alex when we speak on stage, is that 1 + 1 can actually equal 11, right? And this is what happens when you use the collective power of an amazing mastermind. And we are having this experience right now. I just want to say I feel so fucking grateful that I'm here, because even though we are organizing this event, I feel like we are learning as much as the participants. So this has been amazing so far, and just can't wait to do another event in 2 weeks in Canary Islands. It's gonna be great.
Hit it!
almost 10-meter jump.
Got it.